Hello, everybody, and welcome to our webinar, Improving Insights to Profitability with COPA and SAP RAR. So on the line, and why are we here? Let me talk a little bit about, who do we have on the line? On the line, we have myself, John Froelich, Vice President of Marketing and Strategy, Julio Dalla Costa, who's joined us. He is the lead on our technical accounting and our accounting advisory services team. Also joining us this week are Jacek Dudkowski, who is our managing consultant for RAR. He's been on several of our webinars in the past, so welcome, Jacek. And then new to our team here is Shashank Siripuram, and he is going to be the star of this. He's going to show some great innovations that we have done around COPA and RAR integration to give you profitability. So SAP brings two tools to help in this process. The first of them is SAP Revenue Accounting and Reporting. And what SAP RAR does is it helps simplify and automate your revenue recognition. It brings together all of the tools in such a way and allows you to again, really look at how do I manage my revenue accounting in line with ASC 606 and IFRS 15. And it does it in an automated way so that you can manage your business and not have to worry about all of that. The second is COPA Profitability Analysis. It enables you to evaluate market segments and really do a lot more around managing your profitability down to sales organizations, business areas, or other.
What we are going to show now is, I'm going to show a demo where you can see profitability of RAR contract or POB type. So this is something we developed in our system, and I would like to show that. So let me share my screen. Okay, so I'm going to start from creating a sales order to show you how the data flow happens between SD and RAR and COPA. So I'm going to create a sales order which contains 2 line items.
I think the key here is really, if you see what Shashank is doing, is that the RAR contract is the new central object. It's no longer the sales order and the sales contract. And this obviously is a very important and critical pivot, a view on the contract activity, the deal, the bundle. So especially if you have many sales orders that come into one RAR contract, because following the guidelines of 606, you have to look at the deal now on, do we even have a contract?
The RAR contract is now the central object in this schema. If you think about the whole concept of introducing the RAR product, it did not necessitate for you to change the way you do sales, the way your sales systems and billing systems work. It created the new object of the RAR contract that represented the object of the deal with the customer, which itself could be many orders or contracts in your operational system. So this is becoming, in this scenario, the object around which you look at profitability. And it gives you more insight into sales and product planning, especially once you start doing revenue allocation and cost allocation across.
What we're taking is a tool that was designed originally to be a compliance tool and turning it into it and helping drive optimization. In the past, we've talked about this concept of comply, optimize, transform. Here's an example of how you can take optimization and really take a tool like RAR and leverage the power of the insights provided by RAR into a tool that can be used for management purposes and drive profitability. Bramisol can help you with that, really drive that down to the POB level, the RA contract level, and really today, now, give you insights that previously were unavailable to you and begin to help you have insight into that.